Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start each day by checking your repository state and syncing remote changes. Run git status first to see modified files and untracked work. Then run git pull rebase to incorporate upstream commits cleanly into your local branch. Create a new branch for feature work using git checkout, be followed by a short name. Make small commits that focus on one task. Use clear commit messages with a concise 72-character summary line and an optional detailed body. Use a simple set of commands to stay productive each day. Stage changes quickly with git add, and write commits with git commit mbrief message. Create a branch for new work using git checkout bfeature/name and push it with git push uorigin feature/name. Keep your branch up to date with git pull rebase to avoid merge commits. If conflicts appear, resolve them promptly and continue the rebase to keep history linear and reviewable. Open a pull request whenever a feature or fix is ready for review by teammates. Aim to keep each pull request under about 500 lines of change to simplify reviews and speed approval. Respond to review comments within 24 hours when possible to maintain momentum and iterate by adding small, focused commits. Use descriptive branch names like feature/login or fix/typo to explain intent at a glance. Use git stash for short interruptions and apply it later to continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.